Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, what we have going on with Ethereum is that Ethereum had recently fallen through this Fibonacci level that was at a price of $1,600. So it's fallen through that, and currently it's priced between hanging out between $1,550 and $1,600. What we've been seeing on this day. Now, there's a good amount of consolidation currently going on, which is nice. We're not really seeing the price of Ethereum dropping too much, and there is reason to see that happen because we are having that FOMC meeting on Tuesday, and that would, of course, create more volatility with that fact of the possibilities of seeing interest rate hikes. Now, we know we're going to be seeing an interest rate hike, but how high of an interest rate hike are we going to be seeing? And the market has been reacting as if the interest rate hike is not going to be that significant. At least that's the current possibility that we could be expecting. So not as significant of a rate hike as we once thought we were going to have earlier in the month of October. So now what we're seeing here within this Fibonacci retracement, looking at the price that we had with Ethereum on its 52-week low, that was also the end of a wave 5 from the down wave move that it had from its all-time highs. We've been within we're within a wave 3 right now. So within the wave 1 that we had, this Fibonacci retracement goes from that 52-week low with Ethereum, where it was under the price of $900 in the middle of June, how it went up within this wave 1 and completed in the middle of August at a price of around $2,000. So that's what we're looking at here within the Fibonacci retracement. So now I'm saying that we're within a wave 3, and this wave 3 is a very key one because, well, this is that breakout wave that broke Ethereum out of this falling wedge pattern that it had been in from its 52-week high. So this falling wedge took Ethereum from its all-time high, I should say, down to its 52-week low. And that had come down within 5 waves and then completed where we had started our first wave. So this third wave that we're in, so this broke us out of this falling wedge pattern, which is an absolute very bullish situation to have. And it's nice to see that we're seeing these more price punts with Ethereum now after having a lot of just sideways trading with Ethereum. So let's take this over to our daily chart and to look at what we're seeing with our moving averages. So at the moment, what we have going on is that Ethereum is still above its 100-day moving average. It does need to pump up to its 200-day moving average, which is going to be at a price of around $1,750 to see such a thing happen. And if it's able to pump through that, that would be definitely a really good thing to happen. But we're still above that 100-day moving average, so that's great to see. And we're just a little ways away from breaking through that Fibonacci level that we also need to be breaking through, that key one that's at a price of around $1,800. So as we break through that 200-day moving average, our $1,800 price for Ethereum is one that's also a pretty significant one. Let me find the right graph that has that. So this $1,800 price, if you've been following, I've been talking about this one. This is a price that if Ethereum manages to actually get above this and hold on to it, this is where we've seen the largest price bounces with Ethereum, and the best area of support that we would have after it would see these large price moves. So looking at how 2021 was and how that performed after we managed to surpass that and hold support above it, it wasn't until that we saw the price of Ethereum fall through that in the month of June that we had seen Ethereum take a bit of a nosedive and of course go to that 52-week low. So you can see how strong that $1,800 price is for Ethereum and why it's so important that it does get back up and above that. So we're very close to seeing that happen. Just a little bit more price movements to see for it to go back and overtake that. Now, we tried that before in the middle of August and we did not succeed. And the reason why we did not succeed was Ethereum was also trying to work up to its 200-day moving average as well, which was causing a lot of that resistance that it had. So as we're getting ready to go back and actually do another attempt at that 200-day moving average is at a much lower price. And given the momentum that we've been seeing recently, there might be that good possibility of seeing Ethereum pump through that. And also our bull market support band is very close, or we're actually just about above that. So that's another very key important thing. And you can see how that had been holding Ethereum down between the peak of our first wave here. So now that we're just about to be on the other side of that, that's going to be our bull market support band. It has been our bear market resistance band since we've been on the other side of that. So that's another great thing currently going on. So if we can continue to see these price pumps with Ethereum, then seeing that nice retracement within that wave one and pumping through that Fibonacci level, that $2,000 price, then we can possibly be seeing the price of Ethereum going to $3,000 in this wave three, if not more. I'm thinking that we could probably see a $3,000 price, and there's also a possibility of seeing it go somewhere between even $3,200 and $3,600 as it would go and retrace where it was within this wave four that it had to the downside. So really retrace that whole decline that we had within that wave five. So as far as things here in the short term, it's really key to get Ethereum back above that Fibonacci level that it just fell under, that $1,600 price, and work its way up to overtake that $1,800 price, where that's a very key level of support. And from that point, though, this might be something that might be a little bit harder to do due to the fact that our 200-day moving average is there, but also the FOMC meeting that might lead us into a lot more volatility, actually. So as we're seeing a lot of consolidation right now, there might be an increase of volatility over these next couple of days. So do keep that in mind. Hopefully we do manage to stay above this price here of around 1460 at that 50% Fibonacci level, and we hopefully can manage to pump through within these next couple of days these next Fibonacci levels that we need to get over. So that's the current update with Ethereum. I know it's not too much of news as far as what the price is doing or what it could be doing, and that's just because of the way that it has been trading. It's really consolidating a lot, and hopefully this consolidation leads to a very nice breakout. So cross our fingers with that. We'll keep you guys updated on what does happen. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you in the next video coming out right after this. Thank you for watching and listening.